we're gonna learn about famous mathematicians. Can't take the heat? Well, you better get out the kitchen. This beat has a funky rhythm, thanks to Napier and his logarithms. Napier lived a long time ago. That's something that I think you should know. Okay, Cootsy, please get to the point. I just did. He's responsible for decimal points. An ingenious way to get multiplication done. By the way, he was a Florida merchant son. Moving on to my boy Newton. Not to be confused with the cookies called Newtons. This guy's responsible for calculus. Do all your homework, you know that's a must. Integrals and differentiation. Calculus is taught in every nation. Without it, we never get to the moon. Now just chill, listen to my funky tune. Next on the list is my homeboy Euclid. Ever heard of him? Yeah, I thought you did. Way back he wrote a book of elements. Talking about old school, you know he represents geometry and all his theorems. I always tell the truth, no need for a serum. Now guess who just stepped into the house? Chill, it's the one they call Gauss. They knew he was genius at an early age. He drops the mic before he leaves the stage. There really probably is no one better. At mental math, you'll be left in a fetter. In school at the age of 10, he added 1 to 100, no problem. Gauss is the dude that everyone knows, so just chill to the next episode. MC Cootsy's getting up in your head with all these famous mathematicians who are now dead. Famous mathematicians who are now dead. Famous mathematicians who are now dead. MC Cootsy's getting up in your head with famous mathematicians who are now dead. With famous mathematicians who are now dead. Famous mathematicians who are now dead. Euler's name is not pronounced Euler, but to graph his function you may need a ruler. If you Google the most famous math equation, his formula comes up on that occasion. It's e to the I pi is -1. That story is over, but my rhyme ain't done. Rationals, irrationals, negatives. Knowledge for you is what I was born to give. Now Descartes gave us the coordinate plane. You can thank him next time you start to feel the pain. From graphing until you go insane. From the rain in Spain that falls on the plain. He was also known for his rule of science. For polynomial graphs which are not lines. He's also known for studying philosophy. I think therefore I am, that was said by he. Now Fermat is known for his last theorem. For hundreds of years no one got near him. The theorem was in the margin of a book. Many years and many attempts it took for Andrew Wiles to prove it in '94. Now he's famous now and forevermore. But what about Fermat? Is that all you got? He was a lawyer. You think I forgot? Now you may think that I forgot about the ladies. There's not many of them because history is shady. For a long time they were not allowed to attend university even though they were endowed with powerful brains from their creator. But to attend school they'd have to wait till later for history to give them a fair chance. This human race women will advance. Hypatia is the first lady on the list. She'll put you in place without her fist. History to her was very cruel. Accused of being a witch, what fools. But that's the way it was for many women. Another reason to be glad you didn't live back then. Killing of her was undeserved. That's another reason her memory should be preserved. MC Cootsy's getting up in your head with famous mathematicians who are now dead. MC Cootsy's getting up in your head with famous mathematicians who are now dead. Famous mathematicians who are now dead.